Please join me in welcoming on stage the Digital Marketing Manager and Content Lead of the Honor Philippines, Mr. Isa Digasman!
Thank you so much. Guys, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Alright, with that, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the launch of the new Honor X5C Plus with Shopee Philippines. We aim the entry-level smartphone experience we aim to elevate the entry-level smartphone experience for Filipinos with our latest product. Now, I want you guys to go back to memory lane right now. Do you remember your first smartphone? Yes, right? Do you remember that feeling of excitement? That feeling of giddiness that finally I got my new smartphone, my very first smartphone. To tinker every specifications. And of course, this might be even a symbol of hope for some. Finally, a smartphone that can be your companion, whether it's in school, at work, in business, or for others, it's their lifeline. That's why we created the Honor X5C Plus, designed to deliver the ideal smartphone experience for everyone. Now, personalization is a part of Filipino culture, right? Which is why we offer two different colors that really pop and represent your style. First is the ocean sign, which is I'm holding right now. It lives in style and of course in spirit, just like me. And of course, just like AC, he's more minimalist and adds that face of sophistication every time you hold your phone. Now, one major concern of Filipinos when it comes to their smartphone is the battery, right? Yes. Our daily lifestyle of braving the traffic, yan guys, constantly being online just to follow the trends, catching up on our mobile games, and even all while hustling in our daily lives. This is the new normal. So, our large 5,260 milliampere battery, optimized for power consumption, ensures a strong stamina battery that can handle your needs. Now, if you get that low power notification, stretch that out further with Honor Super Power Saving Mode. 10% can last you up to 61 hours. Again, last up to 61 hours with 10% battery left. That is a big deal for us Filipinos. Another feature we Filipinos love and care about in a smartphone is the camera with an upgraded 50 megapixel ultra clear camera. You can shoot your destinations, OOTDs, and memories with confidence. Share on your socials in a snap. Now guys, take a look at these actual camera samples taken using the Honor X5C Plus. Siyempre may special cats Please fill out cats. Thank you. All those photos and memories needs to be stored. So, the Honor X5C Plus has a built-in 128 gigabytes of storage that is ideal and large enough for you to explore. But there's even a micro SD expandable for your storage if you want more. Now, switch from app to app and multitask with ease with 4GB plus 4GB Honor Turbo RAM for a seamless experience. That is paired with a very capable and power-efficient Helio G81 processor, ready for your posts, for your lives, for your trends, and even your rap game from time to time when unwinding. The Honor X5C Plus has a display that is big, ideal in viewing content with its 90 Hz refresh rate and dynamic dimming for comfort. Now, it's not just about hardware. Also, software requirement is also applied here, present on the Honor X5C Plus with Android 15 and Magic OS. We have the Magic Capsule that delivers notifications without abrupt interruptions for you to enter in your flow. The camera is also enhanced with AI features such as object recognition, AI clarity enhancement for better refinement, and not just simply shooting photos. Lastly, be confident to unlock your phone with our quick flash fingerprint recognition system, plus take a screenshot in the snap with just a double tap. Overall, the Honor X5C Plus is our newest entry-level smartphone that aims to elevate the Filipino experience, not only with reliable features, but also backed with a strong brand community. So, with all these features, the Honor X5C Plus will be available for only 6,999 pesos. But of course, it wouldn't be an Honor X Shopee event without amazing and exclusive deals, right guys? Let's bring on back on stage our e-commerce manager, AC Davisman, for an even more exciting price reveal.
Thank you so much, Ethan. Thank you. And as we mentioned, let's make the deals even sweeter. So, this coming 3D Mega All-Out Sale, and of course the support of Sigurado's Shopping Mall, starting exactly at 12 midnight from its SRP of 6,199 pesos. Any guesses? Okay. The Honor X5C Plus will be available for only 4,999 pesos in Honor Shopping official store. Okay, that's a 2,000 peso discount, guys. Kaya we did that exclusively for you, our Honor fans. Of course, hindi na mawawala dyan ang 0% interest up to 6 months installment by SPay later, 1-year warranty, and free shipping nationwide. Kaya ano bang hinihintay nyo? Check out na! Thank you, everyone.
Maraming salamat to our executives from Honor Philippines. Everybody give it up for Mr. Isam de Guzman for the in-depth walkthrough of the Honor X5C Plus. And of course, Mr. AC de Guzman for the exciting special pricing via Shopee Philippines.